Hi friends, it's Gabby. I'm back here in front of you, and it has been a hot minute since I last filmed a video. Welcome to 2018, folks. As I'm filming this, it's actually December 31st, but I'm gonna take this moment to have another episode of Drink and Daldal! Yay! So today, I'm having a matcha latte. I wanted to make this video as a time for us to remember 2017. I'm actually pretty glad it's over and I'm starting fresh. It was a frustrating year and a very tiring year for all of us. In this video, I'm going to talk about 7 things I'm thankful for in 2017. Originally, gagawa dapat ako ng 17, pero wala akong oras para mag-isip ng 17. So, yeah. Without further ado, let's get started with this video. So, yung una sa list is family. Yung mga tao sa family ko, sila yung foundation ng buhay ko. Sila yung nag-shape sa akin as a person, along with school. Pero, for the most part, it's them. And they will forever be on the top of my list of things I'm grateful for. They have been there through thick and thin, and kahit like sobrang nakakainis ako sometimes, they're still supporting me no matter what. So whenever I get to try new things, see new places, it's all because of them, and forever grateful ako na kasama ko sa pamilyang to. Next on the list are friends. Sobrang grateful ako dun sa mga taong nakikipag-usap sa akin kahit magkaiba yung time zone. And even though our schedules don't line up the way we wanted to, they still find time to at least reply dun sa mga messages ko or like mag-send ng mga memes. The third thing I'm thankful for is this platform. This year, I was able to experience so many more opportunities as a YouTuber and also as a creator. From getting my first batch of like free products all the way to like a sponsorship that was paid. I have never felt so thankful in my life for doing something I actually really love doing. Akala ko nung gumagawa akong videos, like nung umpisa pa lang, hindi ko naisip na at 300 subscribers, may magsasponsor sa akin na company and they'd give me products. So, I'm really grateful for all that happening. It's all thanks to you guys. The fourth thing that I'm thankful for is my job. As you all know, I have a part-time job, and because I have my own job, I get to like earn my own money and be able to buy stuff that I actually want without asking for my parents' money. So, nabibili ko yung mga products na gusto kong bilhin, and nagiging independent ako kasi nare-realize ko yung importance of money and how to handle money at a young age. Masaya lang ako na may opportunity ako makapag-work and parang ma-feel slightly yung kung paano maging adult. So, yeah. By the way, baka mag-haul ako sometime soon because I did order a bunch of products recently. Actually, last month ko pa dapat gagawin kaso nga I'm on a hiatus that time. And also, sobrang busy na schedule ko. Kahit ngayon actually, but it's the end of the break, so it's fine. I'm just trying to relax right now, so yeah. The fifth thing that I'm thankful for this year is establishing a skincare routine. First of all, I never really took care of my skin that well, especially nung nasa Pilipinas ako, like Cetaphil lang, okay na yun. Because of the schedule I had in the Philippines, I didn't really have time to like do a 10-step Korean skincare routine. Now that I have money and I have more time compared to before, and thanks to the opportunities I was able to experience this year, I got to have free stuff and also get to buy my own stuff. Majority actually ng nakukuha kong pera from work, I actually use it for skincare or makeup. Masaya ako kasi nagagawa ko yung self-care ko through my skincare routine. It really did pay off though. Right now though, my face is just clearing up kasi I broke out a lot this month. I don't know if it's because of the weather or stress, but nakatulong yung skincare routine sa parang calm down ng skin ko. The sixth thing that I'm grateful for this year is BTS. So, beginning of the year, I actually didn't want to be an ARMY. Like, yung class ko sa Pilipinas, sobrang daming mahilig sa K-pop, lalo na sa BTS. I refused BTS during that time for some reason. Hindi naman dahil like ayoko sa kanila or like ganun. Pero like, feel ko if I had them in my life at that time, feel ko sobrang constricted ko, sobrang like crumpled ng life ko na hindi ako magiging masaya. So, yeah, I think that's like the main reason as to why I didn't like start standing them back then. But I did want to kasi like maraming ang interested doon. Pati friends ko interested doon. Ako lang halos hindi. Now that I had time, pinakinggan ko yung songs nila, pinakinggan ko yung message ng songs nila. I really love it. So I started standing, I think September or August, not sure. Hearing their music, hearing their goals and dreams and what they're trying to put out to the world helped me get through the hardships that I went through this year, and they are so inspirational. Yung mga taong hindi stan ng BTS, they're worth a shot. Yung fave song ko is Spring Day kasi dun sa message, and also yun yung first song na narinig ko sa kanila actually, like with watching the music video. I could relate so much to the song, so sobrang nagustuhan ko, and tuwing naririnig ko actually umiiyak ako kasi like it's that good. And by the way, yung bias ko si Jungkook. The seventh and last thing I'm thankful for this year is God. Definitely God is the last that I'm talking about, but he's not the least thing I'm thankful for. All the things that I'm thankful for this year are like the things that helped me get through the tough time that I've experienced throughout the 12 months. God is where I mainly got the motivation I needed to do stuff. I asked him for everything and he just answered, and he gave me more blessings than I could ever ask for. Definitely this year was a really tough year for me, but thanks to the 7 things that I've listed, especially the last one, I'm really grateful for 7 things, but I know I should be grateful for a lot more. I think just one video won't be enough just to say that. So that is all for today's video. Di pa ubos yung drink ko, but it's like halfway there. In fairness, it's really good, and it's actually just instant matcha latte. There are so many things that you could be grateful for this year, last year, the year before that, or even the next year to come. This video was like a reminder for everyone that you should be grateful for something, at least one thing. Every single day you get to experience new things. Things that make you happy, things that make you sad. Even those things, whether it makes you happy, sad, angry, or whatever emotion, it still impacts your life in a way that you learn something, and that should be something you would be grateful for in the future. So, kahit sinaktan ka ng isang taong yan, the way that person hurt you would benefit you in the end kasi it would make you a stronger person, and you get to become more aware as a person sa mga experiences and everything. So, yeah, never forget that. And yeah, so I hope this video reminded you of something you should be grateful for, and if you do have anything that you're grateful for, you can comment that down below. I don't really mind. I love interacting with you guys. It's been a while too, so I missed talking in front of the camera. I was talking to you guys, and lastly, do not forget to subscribe. It would mean a lot if you did. It's probably right down below, probably right if you haven't subscribed yet. And that's basically it. I'm sorry if I'm like chill. My hair is like short. My face is breaking out. I'm wearing a pajama shirt. I'm all over the place. It's just like, it's been a while, so I can't really remember how to speak and how to act in front of a camera. So yeah, be grateful. I hope you have a good year ahead. Come through the year with me. And yeah, so anyway, that's really it. So I'm gonna go head out, and may your day be as bright as the sun. Bye!